be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous as
Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di YouTube channelnya Asakecil. Di video kali ini aku mau ngasih tunjuk ke kalian gimana caranya bikin dompet koin tanpa dijahit. Sebelum kita mulai ke video tutorialnya, jangan lupa untuk subscribe dulu. Buat kalian yang belum subscribe, jangan lupa juga untuk like kalau kalian suka sama video ini. Jangan lupa juga untuk nyalain notifikasi bell biar kalian gak ketinggalan kalau ada video baru. Langsung aja kita ke video tutorialnya.
Round a champion, a champion. This is me, I still on it. Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved by a champion, a champion. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing my song if you want, I know you want it. It's always kinda funny, yeah, cause I know I'm a superstar in the sky to lead you on. Haters gonna hate us, approve of how they love. They can bring me down, nah, nah, nah. They are jealous of me and my umbrella, yeah, they love me so. This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round, yeah, yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. This is me, I still on it. Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved by a champion, a champion. Yeah, all I wanna do is just say you don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over and over, yeah. Oh, you can hear my voice in your head and you wanna hear it again. So you play it over and over and over, yeah. A champion, a champion. This is me, I still on it. Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved by a champion, a champion. This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. Yeah, all I wanna do is just say you don't understand how I play. Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and while I can't anymore. Oh, someone say I'm insane and they're right in the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know. And give me your freedom. Whoa. You love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. While you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa. You love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. While you're pandemonium. Whoa. Just do what you want with me. Oh, yeah, I want it all. Couldn't care less the cost. I give my everything. Oh, someone say I'm insane and they're right in the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know. And give me your freedom. Whoa. Yeah, you love me to pieces.
Terima kasih sudah nonton video ini. Semoga video ini berguna buat kalian. Jangan lupa untuk follow aku di Instagram di @asakecil, dan jangan lupa juga untuk komen kira-kira aku bikin konten apa lagi ya selanjutnya. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. Dah.